Hey there, Creatorpreneurs! We've put together a really cool bundle for you, and we're calling it the Power Pack, and it's on sale today. The Power Pack is a collection of 3 of our most popular template sets. The Scenery Creator, with over 50 done-for-you templates and hundreds of scenery elements that you can use to build that perfect graphic. The Power Pack also contains the People template set. This set contains over 130 templates and over 400 cut-out people images. It also contains the Motion Backgrounds collection. This package contains some really nice templates to use, but the real power comes from the hundreds of motion backgrounds that you can use. Here, watch me create something amazing with these 3 packages. Okay, here we are inside of the Graphics Creator, and I'm gonna start off with one of the template sets in this pack called the Scenery Creator. And I'm gonna find a really cool template. Here, this is tropical. I'm going to select it. And this is already pretty cool, but I don't want this water. And look at this, how clever is that? But I'm going to keep this here for now, and I'm gonna come over here to Elements, and we're going to use some of the elements that are in this package from the Motion Backgrounds set. I'm gonna scroll down. Here's some water. I can bring it over, manipulate it, send it to the back, delete this, do something with these, bring that to the front, bring this tree a little bit down. Cool, now that was easy. And then we record this as a video and we can put it up onto Facebook or wherever we want. Okay, let's try something else. The People template set has over 130 templates with real people cutouts. Let's try something easy like this guy. Click them to make the canvas bigger. We don't really even want this background, so let's try something else. Go to Elements, let's go to the Motion Video Elements and Animated Scenery. Let's see what that does. Doesn't quite fit this graphic. Send it to the back. But watch this. Close this. I'm gonna fade the background a little bit so we can see the city behind it. Look at that. That's way cool. But that's too busy, so let's delete that, and we're gonna find one more real quick for this demonstration. Motion Video Elements. Let's do Video Signs. And let's come down. Here's a good one. Drag it on. Very cool. Or let's even delete him, and we'll go to the People images over here, and we'll find somebody else to put there. Scroll down, like her, bring her on. She's contemplating the quote. And if we don't want the motion background, let's delete it. We're gonna come over here to the Scenery Creator elements. Let's go to Backdrops, and we can put her into camping situation or a nice little meadow. And I like this shadow here, it's kind of cool. So we're gonna give her some cartoon trees to put behind her. How about some grass? And this we can actually put behind her a little bit. Make the tree bigger, add some clouds, give the text a little outline here so we can see it. She went from sitting in a tropical area to a cartoon storybook. How cool is that? The Power Pack collection is a powerful and fun-to-use collection of templates and graphics. You're gonna love it. It's on sale today, so grab it and start creating your perfect masterpiece.